Hey guys, I'm doing a review on Earth Zone So Nice Organic Almond. Check that out. It's unsweetened, and this was on sale. So there is the nutrient panel, 0 grams sugar. There you go. Fortified, of course. And take a look at that. That's the ingredients. So let's do a quick taste test to see how it tastes. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's quite nice. So it's like, think of it like rice milk, not sweet, tastes like water, has a hint of nice almond flavor to it. That's pretty much what it tastes like. The texture is like rice milk, it's like water. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.